Hi there, it's Yasin Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can convert PDF documents to images. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and go to this website, pdf2jpeg.net. Then you click on, choose PDF file. Then click on where it says that one they want, the PDF document you want. Then it says good for most ones, so we can say convert that. And it says it's in 2 pages, so you can download it as a zip file, or you can do both. So we'll just do, so we can download both pages because it comes in 2 pages to PDF. 1 and then 2. Then we can click on where it says details. You see, it's just on the page 1 and page 2 done. And that is how you convert PDF files to images. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please hit the like button, share this video, leave your comments in the comment section below, and hit that subscribe button, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you. You can also let me know of any future videos that you would like me to make on the channel by going over to my Twitter, that is @YMTWG, and on my Facebook page, which is Yasin Mahmood, the web guy. Thank you very much.